24 hours in Amsterdam. So you're coming to Amsterdam and you're wondering, how do I get the most out of my stay? We've got you.
We are Alexandra and Rachael from Who is Amsterdam. We are your local guides and we're here to help you to experience Amsterdam in the most authentic way.
So watch this video to the very end for all our Amsterdam tips and download our free 3-day itinerary in the description down below. And hey, subscribe to our channel for more awesome Amsterdam content.
And now, let's get to it. We have more bicycles than people. The first thing you want to do is to rent a bike. We recommend black bikes because they have more than 15 locations around the city, and it's super easy because you can rent your bike at one and you can drop it off at the other. So very convenient. And we also have a sweet deal for you. If you rent it there in person, you get 10% off when you mention Who is Amsterdam.
After getting your bike, get a good breakfast. We recommend Kessens. It's a cozy all-day breakfast and lunch place in the beautiful Jordaan district, which is really close to the Wester Church and the Anne Frank house.
Alternatively, head to Amsterdam's oldest pancake house, the Pancake Bakery. They have, of course, delicious pancakes with all kinds of toppings. You can't even imagine. There are lots of boat companies to choose from, but we recommend the Pirates of Amsterdam, those damn boat guys.
They were the first to offer small boat tours in Amsterdam. It's super fun, there's no script, and you get to hang out with a really fun captain. And BYOB, or get some drinks from their office before you board.
Book early to avoid disappointment. You can buy the tickets on our website.
And the link is down below.
After the boat ride, it's time for food. Bike to the De Pipe neighborhood in the south of the Amsterdam city center because it's home to the Albert Market, Europe's biggest day market. The market is home to some of Amsterdam's best street food. Poffertjes, stroopwafels or takoyaki bowls. To make your life really easy, we designed a do-it-yourself foodie tour which will bring you to 8 family-owned food stalls.
You get to enjoy exclusive tastings and deals at 7 locations and all the stories behind our local food heroes as well. So don't miss this. If you're a foodie, you can buy it from the link down below.
From the Albert Market, just bike 5 minutes and you will reach the Museum Square, which is home to some of the best museums in the world. You can choose from the world famous Van Gogh Museum or National Museum of the Netherlands, the Rijksmuseum, Museum of Modern Art, which is the Stedelijk Museum, or Banksy's first museum in the world, the Moko Museum. Before you leave the Museum Square, don't forget to bike through the Rijksmuseum. It's the only museum in the world you can actually bike through. And of course, it's in Amsterdam.
Just around the corner from Museum Square is Vondelpark. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's central park, and you can enjoy some nature or grab a beer at the tap room of the first microbrewery in Amsterdam, Blauwe Theehuis.
If you're in Amsterdam, you simply have to eat Indonesian food. And one of the best restaurants is Sempurna.
And we definitely recommend the rice table. Rice table is meant for sharing. It's basically Indonesian tapas. You can try things like beef rendang, which is like a coconut beef stew, and chicken satay. It's so delicious, guys. Don't miss it.
So after dinner, you might want to explore the world famous red light district. So here's the deal. It's not only home to our adult industry, but also it's our oldest district, which is why it's home to some of our most beautiful and oldest bars in Amsterdam. Perfect location to enjoy a couple of amazing drinks.
A couple of bars that we recommend are definitely in Het Apien. It means in the monkeys because sailors used to trade monkeys there for beer when they ran out of money. Also, microbrewery De Prauw, which is a social microbrewery that actually brews beautiful beers with hard passion but also on a mission. And also the Oorvar. They have beautiful Jenevers, which is like Dutch gin, and I think you definitely need to try that. So highly recommended.
If you choose to walk past the red lights, the windows with the sex workers, there's one important rule, guys: not to take pictures of the sex workers. We experience it as very disrespectful if people do that. And actually there are a couple of more rules what not to do in the red light district and how to move through the district in a respectful way. To help you along the way, we actually made a video so you can have a really nice, fun, but also very respectful visit in the Amsterdam red light district. Simply click here to watch that video.
So that's it for 24 hours in Amsterdam. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and download your free 3-day itinerary in the link down below.
In that link, you get also access to our website, Who is Amsterdam. Check it out for Amsterdam's most authentic experiences. Whether it's by bike, boat, you want to meet locals, we've got everything you might wish for. So guys, check it out, whoisamsterdam.com.
And if you're coming to Amsterdam for the first time, there are 12 things you need to know. So keep watching and find out for yourself.